How to set dark mode on Snapchat. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to turn on or how to enable dark mode in Snapchat. First of all, after you open your phone, go ahead and open up your Play Store App Store and make sure you update your Snapchat app. After you finish updating your Snapchat, now go back and open the Snapchat app like this. After you open your Snapchat, tap on your profile at the top left side. In this section now, tap on this gear icon at the top right side to access your settings. After you come to the settings, now under this my account, as you can see now my account, so scroll all the way to down and tap on this app appearance. Under this app appearance, now tap on this section, always dark. If you choose this custom, this is for Snapchat Plus account, so tap on this first option, always dark. So tap on this restart. Now it will just restart your Snapchat account. So now if I tap on this chat section now, so as you can see now I turn on my dark mode on my Snapchat. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.